So you have the edge bending that we have used for the cabinets. It's exactly the same color. We're gonna put double adhesive tape on it. And then with a hole punch, we're gonna make custom caps that match exactly the finish of the cabinets. Ooh, this is sticky. From this side, actually. Let's see. Which one has cleaner edges? This, right? Here, try that one. Yay! There we go. Perfect. And it actually sits really well here too now, because it was further in the back. Yeah, and now I can make a little shelf once the plumbing is done. Metal hole everywhere, and then you can unwrap the shelves. And we put them with the edge that was fixed. Instead of cutting, where's the plumbing, the way it was set up for us or left for us, it was like this. Everything was here. So in order to put the sink cabinet over the plumbing, which it should be, we would have had to make a cutout in the deck of the cabinet, about this big. So it would have been 2 feet by 2 feet approximately. Like this, we just copied as close as possible the shape of the water lines plus the drain and the electrical, made nice, very clean openings, and then everything just fit.